Charley Webb, 34, left her former Emmerdale co-stars fully crying after the proud mum shared a moving video of her 12-year-old son Buster giving an exceptional performance in the musical, We Will Rock You. Buster, who Charley shares with Matthew Wolfenden, belted out Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody on stage in front of a crowd of people. His performance was incredible and he hit every single note in the anthemic song. Charley posted his rendition to her 568,000 Instagram followers and captioned it, "Buster in his show, 12 years and 2 months. Those notes he hits." The post has received almost 1,000 comments from stunned users, including many from Charley's former co-stars. Sherry Murphy, who played Trisha Dingle, said, "Just amazing. Made me," crying emoji. Isabel Hodgins, known for portraying Victoria Sugden, added, "Why am I fully crying? God, I adore him." Katie Sugden actress Sammy Winward echoed, "Goosebumps. Made me well up." Katie Hill, who plays Charley's on-screen daughter Sarah, wrote, "He was amazing," crying emoji. And Belle Dingle star, Eden Taylor-Draper, exclaimed, "Geez Louise." Stars from other soaps also took to the comments, including Coronation Street's Catherine Tildesley, who said, "Oh my God. A star is born. He's gonna be huge. I'd put money on it." EastEnders Joe Joyner also added 3 love heart emoji, and her on-screen daughter, Jacqueline Osborne, commented, "Amazing. Buster is also a big brother to Charley and Matthew's 6-year-old son, Bowie, and 2-year-old Ace." Charley and Matthew met on the set of Emmerdale 15 years ago when the latter was cast as David Metcalf. Charley had joined the ITV soap in 2002 when she was a teenager, playing the role of Kane, played by Jeff Hordley, and Charity's, Emma Atkins, estranged daughter Debbie Dingle. Charley and Matthew began dating in 2007 and announced that they were expecting their first child in 2009. Matthew went on to propose to Charley on Christmas Day of that same year, and the couple welcomed their eldest son Buster in April 2010. While the actors split in 2013, they later patched things up and Charley gave birth to their second son, Bowie, in December 2015. The couple's youngest child Ace was born in July 2019.